What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today we're finna be tackling a common problem that many Dodge Charger owners face, a broken power window switch. If your window isn't rolling up or down, the switch might be the problem. Let's get started. First, grab your plastic trim removal tool and carefully pry around the edges of the power window switch to remove it. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors. Now, take your new power window switch and reconnect the electrical connectors. Align the switch back into place and firmly press around the edges to secure it. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.